my 5 top setup of a full control of the Canon C70 as a cinematographer. I'm gonna show you that right here, right now, in this video and in my channel. So let's get to that.
Yeah.
Hakuna Matata, my friend. I'm Kolbasian. Welcome to Cashcam. I have a giveaway, but I'm gonna talk to you about the giveaway a little bit later. Let's get to the video first. And I wanna start with the first setup.
Yeah.
I'm 100% sure you're gonna love that first setup because we know how to go through many steps to get to slow and fast. So what I'm gonna do with the first setup, I'm gonna help you set up, quick access to slow and fast. Just one button and you are there, right? So let's get, so here we have the Canon C70. Usually for us to get to the slow and fast, we go through the menu. So we go through the menu and then we need to locate where is the, so we go to the recording, this tab here, recording, right, here is a recording. And in that recording, we go to tab number 2. Right? And in tab number 2, we go to recording mode. And then in recording mode, we select slow and fast motion. And then the camera will set up. And then we go to the frame rate. And then we select the frame rate. Right? That's how long it would take you to get there. Let's say that, you're shooting and then bam, you see something that you want to do slow and fast, quick. So that would take you a few seconds, maybe about a minute to get there. Moment can go. So let's set up a special button to help us do that. Because we know that the Canon C70 have a 13 customizable button that you can set up whatever you like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose one button. And let's choose the button number 11. I think you can see the button number 11 is right here. You can see that. You can see it's right here. All right, so that's the button 11 that we're gonna set up as a slow and fast. So, all right, how are we gonna do that? Let's come out of the menu, and what do? You know the way that you set up a button, assign a button to do something for you is, many ways. But I'm gonna use the shortcut. Yeah. So you press the menu, you hold. And then you press whatever button that you want to assign. So number 11, I'm going to press the number 11. I don't know if you can see my finger. That's here. I'm going to press number 11. So number 11 straight away taking us, when we hold the menu and press the number 11 button, it's taking us to that option where we can set up now number 11 for slow and fast. So let's look at slow and fast. Here we are. So here, slow and fast. I'm gonna select setup, and now the button number 11 is set to slow and fast. Job is not finished. Just 1 second. So I'm gonna go into, let come out of the menu, and let go into back to the menu, and let go into recording mode for us to set the frame rate. So here I am. All right, slow and fast. All right, it's already set up to 120 frames per second. I am in Europe. I'm gonna choose 100 frames per second. Okay, so now we are set, yeah, but we need to verify is it working or not. So let me press on number 11 button. Bam, you can see slow and fast. So that is number 1. Set. And I hope you find that very useful. And if it's useful setup, so give me a thumbs up, like this video. Number 2, is auto black balance. I don't know if you are aware of it or not, but if you read the manual of the Canon C70, you come around something called auto black balance, or ABB. Right? And according to Canon, in this occasion or in these cases, it's necessary to set the black balance. So here is the list. Yeah, you can see the list of the thing. So anytime that you face this following cases, you need to set the black balance. It's really easy to set. I'm going to show you right now. All right. So let's get into that. So first, let's go into the menu. So right now we are in the menu of the Canon C70. And then let's go into, the camera symbol one. Let's go into the camera symbol. Right? We are in the camera symbol. So let's move into number 6. And number 6, you can see something here is called ABB. So that's what it is. So how you do it? So you press ABB, and then it gives you option now. So everything needs to be black for you to go into that setting. So either if you have a lens attached to it, so you need to attach the lens cap to it, or if you don't have lens attached to it, you need to attach the cap into the body of the camera. So absolutely pitch black. And then you go there, and then you select OK, and you press OK. It's going to take, few moments. Sometimes it takes 1 minute, for it to completely, set it. So it's going on. We're just gonna wait, and we're gonna see when that's gonna be finished setting up the auto black balance. Okay, great. So it's finished. So now process is complete successfully. Right. So now, the black balance is set. Number 3, set up a hotkey for force color. The Canon C70 have so many assignable buttons. In fact, 13. There's no one key that is assigned to first color. If there is, just let me know in the comment box below. But I don't see any. I look all over the place, but I don't see any. But first color is really, really one of the best tools properly to adjust and appreciate your exposure. And most of the camera don't have first color on it, especially mirrorless and DSLR. But the cinema camera, most of them have it, and Canon C70 has it too. But as I say, that there is no one button that you press that you can give you that. So this part, I'm going to show you how to assign a button, dedicated button for first color. Every time you wanna adjust it, you just press, and then you see the first color. So it is the same method that we use for the assigning button 11 for slow and fast. All right, so here I am. So let's go into the same shortcut here. So let's press menu, hold, and then press any button. Let's choose button number 9, yeah? So the button number 9 as dedicated into the Canon C70 is function, but I rarely use it. So I'm gonna press menu and hold, and press button number 9. Straight away take me to button number 9. And button number 9, what I have it here is, is assigned to LUT. So I'm gonna find first color here, first color. So I'm gonna press OK. So now I'm gonna show you the button number 9 assigned to first color here. Let me press number 9, bam, first color, press again, number 9, out of that. Right. So yeah, that is.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and around 10 with the tech. Butterfly doors on the Tesla.
Number 4. Number 4 is about set up a quick access to audio input selections. Because the thing is that the Canon C70 has the audio input just right in the body of the camera. So we have 2 mini XLR, and also we have a 1/4 inch jack, a 3/4 inch jack, mic jack input into that. But the thing that you need to understand is that when you, for example, connect the microphone into the Canon C70, it does not detect automatically. Said, okay, then the microphone is connected to mini XLR or the other input. So you have to manually select that. Otherwise, you won't get sound. Usually, how to get into the input, and so you can select your input. So you go to menu, and you need to find what is the the sound symbol, and then from here you go to number 1, and then audio input selection. That is a long process. So I'm going to show you just a shortcut how to get to that. So then you don't need to go through all this process, to get there. So we have. I'm going to come out of the menu. So we have the button number 13, which is a audio status. And audio status, if you press on that, you're going to take you into here. So you have one input that what is the input you have. So this one will just help you monitor your input audio. All right. So then, the next thing that to get you quickly to the input selection is that, let me come out of this. So you press the button number 13, and then you press menu after that. So you press button 13 and menu, and straight away it take you to that audio input selection. So here you can select and change whatever input that you use for the audio. It is really easy, it's quick, and it make you you make your life so easy, and you make navigating the camera or using the camera really fast. So I say about my giveaway. So that's the Mavic Air drone that I'm going to give away when I reach 1,000 subscribers. 3 simple steps for you to take. First step, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also press the notification bell next to it. Second step, go down there, like this video, give me a thumbs up on this video. And third and last step, in the comment box below, write a comment and also write your name, say I enter. That's all. Right? Okay, let's get back to the video. Number 5 is quick access to exposure setting, and also frame rate and all those accessories without going through deep into the menu. Because usually what do you do if, like, so for example, you wanna change your frame rate. So you go into menu, and then you go into here, and then you need to go here, right? From here you can change your frame rate and also the recording mode and so and so. It's really long. So, but the option is here, the quick option, quick access is that, the screen is called touch screen, yeah? It's touch screen. So this touch screen have access. Yeah, it's not touch screen all the time, but when a touch screen has access to quite a lot of things. Yeah, you just got the pen. So you have 2 corners. So this one corner and the other corner, yeah, so the bottom one and the top one. So if let's say that you are shooting, and let's say that you're shooting, and then suddenly you want to change your white balance, for example. So you press here, and then you have option for the white balance. So you choose white balance, and then you can change white balance. If you want to change the ISO, you go here, bam, you change your ISO. If you want to change like a f-stop, you go there, you change your f-stop, and so and so. So everything, just the access here. Let's say that you want to change your frame rate or sensor mode. So you go in the right corner, up there at the corner, and then you choose, right? You choose recording, recording mode, and then here you can choose slow and fast or pre-recording, and whatever the recording that you recording mode that you choose. And then you go into the next page, and then here you can even change your frame rate. So everything is just by your finger. So you don't have to go through deep menus and so and so. So that is another really key tool or key setup that you have in your hand to make the Canon C70 as much effective and efficient, and will make your filming really, really easy, my friend. So that is my top 5 really must know key setup and key access that you can use for a much efficient and effective and quick and easy use of the Canon C70. My friend, I hope you find this video very useful, and also give me thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So, Hakuna Matata, my friend. That's what it is. Thank you very much for watching. If you watch till right now, for me, it has always been love. Yeah, stay safe, stay protected, and I'll see you in my next video. Yeah, my friend. Yes, Hakuna Matata, my friend.